Hello guys and welcome to our new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create Bumble account without using your phone number. Instead of that, I'm going to use RentSMS platform as a phone number provider to create this account. Let's begin. We need to click on the Bumble icon. We will use the phone number to create this account, so I will click on use cell phone number instead of continue with Facebook. So now Bumble is asking us to verify our phone number. In this case, we need to go to RentSMS platform and copy my number and paste it here. Let's go. So this is the platform, guys, where we are going to get the number. The name of it is RentSMS Online. If you want to check my previous videos, I have covered this platform many times, how you can top up the account, how you can create the account, how you can buy the number, how you can check the pricing of different countries' phone numbers. But in this video, I'm going just to show you quickly how you can do that. Let's begin with the account creation. You need to create a sign up. Here you need to give some information, your username, your name, your email, password, and click on create account. Let's go now to the main page. Now I need to click on login. So this is dashboard of RentSMS, guys. You can see here my account balance, my total SMS, and my active numbers. Now I will copy my number and go back to the Bumble app. I will pass the number here, and I need to check the country code. I need to choose Czech Republic and click here, continue. Now I need to click on OK. Now we need to go to RentSMS platform and bring our code verification. Just click there and refresh. You can see the SMS code that we have received from Bumble account. Just copy it and paste it here. And click here. So far so good. Now we need to choose to upload our photo. I will just upload some random pictures. Click on gallery. There again. I'll click here. Just choose this for the sake of this video, guys. You need to choose your pictures. Need to enable the location. Click OK. Okay, you can see now we have the account. We have already created Bumble account successfully. As you can see, use your RentSMS phone number. And by the way, guys, Bumble doesn't accept virtual phone numbers. That's why you need to choose a good provider. In this case, I show you like RentSMS phone number because they are providing real phone numbers that work with all platforms. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Thanks.